Back on site, we got a foundation. We got subgrade plastic wire ready to pour this 36 by 36 garage. We got Crazy Carl pouring. Crazy Carl did the block work, footings, did an awesome job. We got the white trucks. All right, that's one truck down, installed, vibra screeded, and then channel floated. When I come across the front side, I come across this way. That ensures that you don't get one puddle, because all it takes is one bit of the vibra screed to put one ripple in there. You'll have a puddle in front of those doors. So come across horizontally, pick your wire, you'll be all good to go. We got Crazy Carl on the edges. What's the word today, Carl?
Fuck it.
There's another thunderbolt. Nice. Nice and nice.
Oh yeah.
Just pick the wire up, it'll stay up. A lot of people say it won't, but you cannot put that wire down once she's on the stone. We got Super P in this, which allows you to pour a higher slump without adding water. So back here we got 5 foot flat, and then it has a 2-inch pitch from that 5 foot. That allows this homeowner to put benches up here as far as workbenches and tool chests without them rolling and having any issues with the doors opening up. And then 2-inch pitch. Then we still had to hit the existing concrete, so that had to be flat off of there and then start the pitch with the 2-inch pitch going out. But yeah, everything's flowing, it's going good. Good driver makes all the difference in the world. You ain't gotta touch it, just set it on in. All right, she's all in. We got ragazzi here on the edges, floating her down, making her nice and true. And we'll let her sit for an hour or two. And today's overcast. We had some sprinkling going on, but once we get this all set like that, then we get on the pizza pan, hit it one time, and then start hitting it with the trowel. She's nice and flat. That 16-foot screed definitely makes a difference. Here's the pizza pan. This goes on the bottom of the trowel machine, and this acts as a takes all the imperfections out of the floor on the first hit. It will give a swirly float finish, and you actually could use that to do like basketball courts and whatnot that you do want the swirly float, or a big patio. But it takes all the imperfections out, fills all the low spots, and then you take that off and smack it with the blades. What we're doing here is cutting the front edge down. You cut an inch, and then you start feathering it back in like ragazzi is, and that gives us a little extra pitch. So when you get a driving rain, it hits the door, comes down, hits the seal, and comes out. Nothing will go up under that seal and leave a puddle. Just give yourself a ½ inch pitch at the doors.
Something that's like 518 concrete. I heard of that.
Oh yeah, first hit going in with the pizza pan. Looking good. Again, this is just gonna scruff it. It's basically the same thing as a swirly float as you would do by hand, and it just takes every bump out, and you feel it in your body. It tears you up, that pan. You see how it grabs right there and moves? You gotta hang on to it or it's gonna spin right out of your hand. And then the next hit, the blades are nice and smooth, and you don't feel it as bad. But that thing will grab you and twist you up. Second hit, we get right back on it after the pan. Otherwise, that roughness gets hard, and then it's hard to get down. We got the 4-footer on there. We just tuned up the blades with a grinder real quick, and as you see, it starts to smooth out. And then we'll wait twice as long for the next hit. Once you got a smooth top like that, you can wait. Got a little bit of breeze. Every day is different with concrete. There's no two concrete pours the same. It goes on humidity, moisture in the air, clouds, sun, wind. Every pour is different. But one thing is, always keep up on your edges, just how these guys did. And then you just stay close to the edge, not right on the edge, and work your way around. Edges are key. And run at an idle, just the way he is. Guys that rev them up too early, get in trouble. Start rolling the concrete. Obviously, if you're losing it, you got to rev it up and do things and modify, but in the perfect world, you want to just go nice and easy. We got hit number 3. Each hit will get smoother and harder. Oh yeah, look at that burn. On the last hit on this side, that side's got to get one more hit. Second truck went faster than the first truck. undid, just snapping lines for expansion.
Back to me. It's not gonna do another line. Huh?
Looking good. There's the last line snap. 9 squares we'll have in this. This is a soft cut green saw, so you can cut it the same day.